So 15 Prouts Court is a purpose-built flat with a number of other properties in there, all very similar, over about four floors. We're talking about floor 1, which houses this particular apartment, which has 2 bedrooms, has a kitchen diner that you use as your living space, and the 2 bedrooms, most of the people that live here, if they live here on their own, they use the 2nd bedroom as a dining room. You've also got a bathroom, plenty of storage, there's cupboards galore, and there's also a big store cupboard, like almost the size of a flat. We could get a couple of bicycles in underneath the building, and you've also got an allocated parking space. That's where I'm stood now, with the lovely view here of Dartmoor behind me. So have a look at the rest of the video and then book a viewing.